This screencast is to demonstrate how to access the Finalsites Composer. Composer is what we call the editing dashboard for our new website host. What you are seeing here are some written instructions in regards to how to log in and update your password. We're going to go ahead and do this together. You'll start by going to this website for Finalsites CMS. You'll begin with accessing or entering your username. Your username is going to be your GCPS email without the @gcs.k12.nc.us. You will select Next. Your temporary password for your initial login is website admin, all lowercase. So again, it's website admin, all lowercase. So you will enter your password. And again, if this is your first time logging in, it'll be website admin, all lowercase. And then you will be welcome to your dashboard. Some of your dashboards may look a little different, but a lot of the items will remain the same. The first item that I want to highlight is in the top right corner. You will want to change or update your password. So when you click change password, a new window will appear in order for you to enter in your current password, a new password, and confirm that password. The page will refresh and you will be prompted to log in a second time. Once you have updated your password from website admin, all lowercase, this again is your dashboard. And I want to highlight a few things just for your basic arrival to this site. The first thing that I want to highlight right underneath change password is a training button. This training button offers a lot of various online modules that have pathways to what you would like to do. So there are a few that I would like to say. You can look at new page editor, which is what you will be doing. There is one that is called Finalsites Composer Basics, which is one that I kind of went through and accessed, and it gives you the basics around Composer, which again is what we call this dashboard. So training, there are a lot of there's numerous items that are built into our new website that provides online training for you on top of what we will provide here in Granville County Public Schools. The other place that I want to highlight is what is known as the knowledge base. So if you have a question that comes up, you can ask the Finalsite support anything. And then lastly, the last piece I want to show on your Composer dashboard is this little question mark down here in the left corner. You can get some Finalsites help. You can look at product updates. You can again search the knowledge base, which we accessed in the top right corner. There is support and training, as well as sharing an idea. Support and training allows for you to not necessarily chat live with them, but enter a ticket per se that they will respond to you via email. So there are some options that initially when you log into your Composer dashboard, you will have available that you can help move along with the development of our sites. Please let me know if this is helpful, or I'm always here to help.